1 time out of 10. 2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines you missing a playtime, girl. Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now, yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So, baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me. Let me be your parachute, parachute.
Hey fairies, and welcome to the first episode of Buy or Buy. I'm going to be using a wig from Hermosa hair company today. It's my first time working with them. This is a more affordable wig and it's a 13x4 transparent lace. I'm going to show y'all how to install this transparent lace and get these curls popping in this deep wave texture. So in my first episode of Buy or Buy, I'm going to be comparing 2 wig caps, one from Amazon and one I got from my local beauty supply store. So as far as the Amazon wig caps, these are actually nylon wig caps and they come in a pack of 12. They are very stretchy on my head. They don't compress my hairline, and I also love that it matches my skin tone. So these are actually the HD wig caps and I did get them from my local beauty supply store, but they are sold on Amazon as we speak. They are the same as the nylon. You can get them for a pack of either 9 or 12. First impressions, the only con I have is it's not the same color as my skin tone and they are pretty tight on my head. The first one I'm going to use is the Amazon wig cap. I just gelled my hair back with the Erica J liquid melt. I like to use this for my wigs as well as my natural hair, and it has no alcohol, so it's really good for your edges, girl. So I'm going to be melting down my bald cap using the Erica J 2 times melting spray as well as the even holding gel. I'm just going to pair those two together and do what I normally do as far as my wig caps and just melt that down. And then as far as cutting the bald cap, I'm going to take this 12 pack of razors. They come in a pack of 12 and they are $9 and I got them from Ulta. When you go to the beauty supply, it is $1 for one. So a pack of 12 for $9 is definitely the way to go, and they're a lot sharper than the ones at the hair store. So as far as showing the first bald cap method, I did use this wig cap twice in 2 videos. One in my last video I just posted. Make sure I go and check that video out. And I also did a whole dedicated video of using this bald cap on my channel. I will leave that card up here. But basically the point of me showing it in this part of the video is to show y'all how it looks when it's melted down with makeup and get that visual, because I will be showing the same clip later on for y'all to see the comparison compared to how it looks with the HD right next to it. So I'm going to be showing y'all how I take off my bald caps, and I just use something as simple as a cleansing rinse. Y'all know how I feel about my cleansing rinses and my liquid shampoos for getting my wigs off and getting my bald caps off, because it is so simple and so easy. This gel is heavy duty, so you need something heavy duty to get this joint off. I just put this cleansing rinse all around my bald cap, and literally within 10 seconds the whole entire bald cap just starts to peel off. This is a better method to be safe around your edges, because we are trying to grow our hair back and our edges back, and it avoids any tension on your hairline. So now it's the HD wig cap, and I did use HD wig caps before, but it's just something about this wig cap that's a lot better than the quality I had the first time. So I just put the wig cap on, and like I said, it is pretty tight, but all I did was just cut the band a little bit and then it was fine after that. Did like I always do with my bald caps and cut the ears out, and then I took my even holding gel and used the applicator because this joint is very sticky, and just applied that all around the hairline, and then also took that Erica J 2 times melting spray, and that's that last thing we need to melt this bald cap down. Then I'm gonna take some foundation that I use as a combo on my own foundation routine and just mix those 2 colors together and apply that to the bald cap. It's gonna make it look just like my skin, and then I'm just going to wipe the excess away with a paper towel. So the last thing I do with my bald cap method is use the even melting spray, and it is so bomb with melting my ball caps down and also melting my laces down on my wigs. It's not super sticky. It is like the perfect consistency, and it's also very affordable and sold at the beauty supply store as well as Amazon. So I just apply that all around the hairline and then just push it down with the back of this applicator, and it is so seamless, y'all. Now, of course, I'm gonna do an install with the wig and the ball cap to show y'all how seamless this entire install is. This is transparent lace, so I have to do a little bit different of a technique I would normally do, just because we want to get that lace to blend real good on my skin tone, because it's a lot harder to blend transparent on darker skin tones compared to lighter skin tones. So I just went in and did some plucking. The ultimate technique to getting natural plucking these days is by using the pointer tweezers. Do not sleep on the pointed tweezers. If y'all really want an updated plucking tutorial, I am more than gladly to film one for y'all. Let me know down below in the comment section. But my new plucking technique is absolutely fire because it just makes my wigs look so much more believable. So after I pluck the lace a little bit, I am going to melt it down with the Eben melting spray. Make sure I check out my video for that because it is very detailed and very particular, and I melt that lace like gold. I will leave that video up in this video right here, but I just used that melting spray and just went along the ball cap, and then I'm just going to pull a little bit more hair from the front and just use my tweezers to pluck that just a little bit more. So to just seal in everything all together, I'm gonna use this mousse. I have been loving this mousse because it just really melts my lace into my hair. I'm gonna use the Hermosa melting band that came with the wig, and I'm gonna let that sit for 20 minutes. This is how the wig looks thus far, but we just need a little bit more work to blend that transparent lace in a little bit more with my scalp, and I'm gonna use this liquid melt from Erica J. This is a melting gel, and usually I wouldn't use this, but because it is transparent lace, I need a little bit extra to melt that lace in a little bit more because it is a lot thicker than HD lace. So now I'm going to define these deep wave curls, and I'm going to use a mixture you guys have seen quite some time on all of my curly hair videos, but it's basically a leave-in conditioner added with water in a spray bottle. And I like to prep the hair first by spraying that in, and then I'll use this crunch mousse from Aussie, and it's a leave-in and curling mousse, and I'm going to use that to scrunch the hair up just to get those deep wave curls to pop out a lot more. And when I was done scrunching up the hair, I just got some tweezers and just plucked the frontal a little bit to make it look a lot more realistic. So the last thing I'm going to do is take some texture mousse and wrap the ends of the hair around my finger. I just think this makes the curls a lot more uniform so that when it's dry, it has some curl definition on the ends.
Hard to be carried if I get it scary. It's hard to be carried if I get it frightened.
So I went ahead and did my makeup off camera, and that clearly was the last thing I needed for this transparent lace because it is absolutely seamless. It is gorgeous. It melted in with my skin so well, and that just shows what practice does. And this HD wig cap, I felt like if I didn't have this wig cap, it may not have looked this blendable and this realistic because it is transparent lace. So I definitely recommend that if you are using transparent lace, use an HD wig cap because it literally makes that lace look HD. Thank you so much to Hermosa Hair Company for sponsoring this video. This hair came out absolutely gorgeous. It's perfect for ending off summer to get those last pool days, pool parties, Labor Day festivities in with some nice, beautiful curly hair. Let me know how you guys like my first buy or buy episode, and also let me know which wig cap you guys are going to try, whether it's the Amazon or the HD wig cap. Per usual, I will see you guys in my next video next week, and I love you guys. Bye.
You show me how to be better, much better. 3 a.m. you're calling, it's all good. I mean, girl, you get what you need. You got reasons, reasons, reasons. You're my sister, you're my girl. You get taken, they get hurt. Yeah, I swear they gonna burn for what happened if they don't. I to be carried if I get real scary.